Ever since boy, you didn't understand anything. What I was trying to say is that after 4 years probably, I finally get the chance to spend time with my beloved sister here in Bangkok. Come, join me. Saan mo napalitirin mo?
Wala na.
Maldita lagi niya siya, no? Bawal maldita sa Thailand. Okay pa lang siya, ma'am. Okay pa ka nila, ma'am. Mga unta. Dito. Mga dessert, panin. Welcome to Chinatown. Kaya pa, ma'am? So far, how's your experience so far?
It's very hot. Very hot. But very nice.
The food is,
Delicious.
but one of our member is
Sad.
Dragona. Wow, artista.
Video siya po.
Good morning, everyone. It's day 2 of my sister's stay here in Bangkok, and today we are going to the clothing market in the trade market and temple. Also, we're going to do 2 of my favorite temples here in Bangkok, Wat Arun, Wat Phra, and have some stops along the way. Anyway, I want you to join us again. Pretty good. Anyway, I'm just waiting for them to finish up. I'm not sure if they're awake, but in 30 minutes, our driver will pick us up, and then bring us to those spots. Anyway, see you guys around. Hope you have a great day. Bye. Let's go catch the train. Isa?
Ngayon pa sila. Sabi yung pagod lang.
Oo.
ป่าผมแอดไลน์ป่าไปแล้วนะครับขึ้นในไลน์นะครับ
We cannot. It's dangerous. We are in train market. Check it out. Look now. Survive the tide. Gawin sa karon ma'am. Photoshoot.
Hapit mo matay.
Photoshoot. Welcome to Train Market. Actually, first time po na ako na mag-Train Market, but we are in the Train Market and it was crazy. Crazy. Crazy pa sa crazy. Anyway, so, mano. Ani custard?
Hamok.
Homok,ใช่ไหม
20 บาท
โอเค1ครับ
เอา1ห่อมาจากเอาพูดเรื่องของนะเอาพูดไทยได้มั้ย
โอ้พูดไทยนิดหน่อยครับ ใช่
ประเทศอะไร
พูดคนฟิลิปปินส์ครับ
เจอกิน
มีแม่พันไทยป่ะมีปันคนไทยป่ะ
อ้าวเหรอ ขอบคุณครับ We are in saan nga temple?
na ikaw lang yung butag ay doon kasi mo tourist guide test
Basta kay anak si Kuya, if anyone daw who visit this temple, once they come out kay
many
money.
that only money
Okay ra kay, naman ko'y money. Money, US dollars. Okay na. I have money. Welcome to the market.
Tagan mo na siya online pagkaon sa bali kay na
Kaon mag video magud ni.
ay
Ka
ay kung lag
Moni ang plum cake. Dami siya, promise. Ansa?
ay na lang ay sa nila
Yes, Sikihor. Sikihor ta. Kaya pa ma'am? Kaya pa? Energy wise?
Wala ba yung inita? Pila? Pila 150? 200 na siya.
Ano na kayong tubig sa bar?
Welcome to What Our Room.
Your favorite?
My favorite of all. Wow, posing. The photographer.
Rồi, bên đi xíu mà thằng này bên
Char. Video man gud ni ma'am.
Ay. Kaya ganyan nila oh.
Sige lang.
Traffic kayo dito. Ay.
So you can start your own
Video man gud ni.
right now. Bigay na ka.
Mga bisita. Sponsorship. Di na ito mag-all, kailangan ka ni Mark. Sugar, ma'am. Sugar, ma'am.
Si Sir Pudo.
Scam. Na scam.
Gracias, gracias, gracias.
Oh, so. Mga plastic.
Bye na.
Bye. Bye na na. 10 years na po yung tigong sa to.
4 naman good daw. 4 naman good.
Well,
4 years na to. Bye. Madawat raw $50.
And just like that, the days slipped away. But what a gift they were. 3 days that felt like a lifetime of memories. After almost 4 years apart, it's amazing that God knows exactly when to send the right people. You see, living far from home hasn't been easy. There are moments when silence feels louder than anything. But then she showed up. My sister, my friend, like a breath of fresh air. We laughed, we rested, and that's when I realized rest isn't just in stillness. It's in the people who will feel like home. The past few days reminded me that no matter how far I've come, I'm never truly alone. God's timing is perfect, and for that, I'm grateful.